Uncle Jimmy's gonna be happy. Both his gifts are hits.
And I just made him a video. Yeah. You want to reach out for it? Should I roll you back over?
You're so tiny now.
Oh! Do you like that side?
I really like this right here.
That's the side he laid on because that's the ear that was flat.
Oh, okay.
So that's the side he was on your one.
Huh.
Do you love it? Yeah, you do love it, don't you? There you go. You're strong. Look how big you are.
Riley's like, when I hit this.
Oh.
He's so cute.
Yeah.
You're so strong.
You're happy. You know where that sound is coming from, too.
I think he's catching his light.
Can you see that light blinking? It almost fit in your mouth?
Yeah, too deep.